If you're thinking about buying a 3D printer, hold on. The wrong choice can waste your money and your time. In this video, I'm showing you the 5 best 3D printers in 2026, the ones that actually stand out for print quality, speed, and overall value. Whether you're just starting out or already into 3D printing, these are the models worth your attention. All product buy links are in the video description, and you'll also find tagged products for easy access. Stay till the end to find the perfect one for your setup. Let's begin. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra X. A fresh take on entry-level multicolor 3D printing, built to make creative printing feel simpler, faster, and far more efficient. It strips away the extra complexity of traditional designs and focuses on what matters most: smoother color changes, cleaner workflow, and dependable results. The built-in 4-color system brings multicolor printing into a more practical space, while the feeding and retraction system is integrated directly into the printhead, with the cutter placed just 35 millimeters from the nozzle to shorten filament change distance by more than 81.25%. That means quicker color shifts and far less purge waste, so more material goes into the model instead of being lost during transitions. ACE Gen 2 adaptive extrusion adds another layer of smarts by detecting material hardness in real time and adjusting extrusion force automatically, making soft and hard multi-material printing feel easier and more consistent. The top-mounted spool holder saves workspace, improves stability, and helps maintain print quality even at high speeds, while support for up to 19 color printing opens the door to bigger, brighter ideas. Optimized X, Y, and Z axis precision paired with a next-generation leveling algorithm based on multi-point data modeling makes setup smarter and more accurate. Automatic calibration keeps the process steady, the quick-release hot end makes changes easy, and one-click printing puts the whole workflow under intelligent control. Built-in monitoring tracks progress in real time, the printer runs at a quiet 48 decibels, and Anycubic Slicer adds advanced software profiles that make printing feel ready from the first click. A cleaner, smarter, and more capable way to print in color. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. A fast, beginner-friendly 3D printer built to make multicolor printing, smooth calibration, and reliable everyday results feel easy from the start. It delivers impressive speed with up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, giving prints a quick, responsive feel without sacrificing accuracy or detail. With AMS Lite support, multicolor printing becomes more accessible and dependable, letting models come to life with richer color and cleaner transitions when the setup is used as a combo or with the separate AMS Lite unit. Full auto calibration takes care of Z offset, bed leveling, and other key adjustments automatically, so there is less time spent tuning and more time spent printing. Active flow rate compensation helps keep extrusions steady and consistent, which improves surface quality and makes prints look smoother overall. The user-friendly touchscreen keeps operations simple, while the one-clip quick-swap nozzle makes maintenance easier and gives more flexibility for different projects. Quiet operation with active motor noise canceling also helps keep the workspace calm and comfortable during longer sessions. A smart, practical printer that brings speed, color, and convenience together in one clean package. Number 3. Creality Spark X i7 is a smart multicolor 3D printer designed for fast, clean, and creative printing with minimal effort. It delivers vibrant multicolor output with faster filament switching, improved efficiency, and up to 50% less purging waste, helping save both material and time while keeping details sharp. Creality's CubeMe AI can turn portraits into custom 3D models in seconds, making it ideal for GIFs or display pieces, while the sleek aluminum alloy body with RGB lighting adds a modern desktop look. The CFS Lite system automatically reads filament data and syncs it with the slicer in one click, removing manual setup completely. Printing can start in around 5 minutes with no assembly needed. Just select a model and begin. A 260 by 260 by 255 millimeter build volume supports larger or multiple parts in one go, while pressure advanced technology improves edges and reduces imperfections. AI camera monitoring checks for issues like spaghetti or print errors in real time, and one-tap calibration handles leveling and tuning automatically. A smooth, reliable printer made for effortless creativity. Number 2. FlashForge AD5X, a fast, full-color 3D printer made to bring creative projects to life with smooth detail and reliable results. It supports 4-color printing and can reach up to 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, helping prints finish quickly without losing accuracy. The full auto leveling sensor checks multiple points on the bed for a more even first layer, while the intelligent filament system makes multi-material and multi-color printing easier to manage. It works with materials like PLA, TPU, PETG, silk, PLACF, and PETGCF, giving more freedom for both decorative and functional prints. The all-metal Core XY structure keeps motion stable, and vibration compensation helps reduce layer shifts for cleaner results. Its compact modular design with 4 side-by-side filament spools also saves space and makes placement more flexible. A smart, efficient printer that feels ready for everyday creativity. Number 1. Kidi Plus 4. A large-format, high-speed 3D printer built for users who want strong performance, wide material support, and easier day-to-day printing. It offers a spacious 12 by 12 by 11-inch build area, making it easier to print larger models or several parts at once without slowing down workflow. The second-generation chamber heating system uses 400-watt power, air circulation, and dual-layer insulation to keep temperatures more stable and help reduce warping and cracking on high-temp materials. With an upgraded 80-watt hot end and a maximum nozzle temperature of 370 degrees Celsius, it supports materials like PPS-CF, PPA-CF/GF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, and PET with better reliability. Remote printing, app tracking, HD camera monitoring, and filament break detection make it more convenient to manage, while the strong dual Z-axis and reinforced structure help maintain precision. A capable printer that feels ready for serious everyday use.